All right, good evening, everybody. Let's take a look right now at our live early warning pinpoint Doppler because we do actually have a little bit of rain out there right now. It's kind of a weakening line that's moving across the state, but we'll take it all, right? We need the rain around these areas. It's been so dry. We had some torrential downpours earlier, so not so much fun if you were driving in them, but certainly some beneficial rain. And a little downpour right over Seymour, some light rain across Oxford right now, and another batch that just moved through Southington, heading over towards Middletown and Cromwell. And I'll zoom out here and just take a look at northern Connecticut. This is kind of drying up, but we did have a little bit of rain moving through Somers, Stafford, and a few sprinkles possible in Union. So not drought-busting rain, but every little bit helps. And we have the chance for some more showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. And any of those that develop could potentially put down heavy amounts of rainfall. Some of the storms today produced an inch to an inch and a half of, again, much needed rain. So the heat advisory continues until tomorrow night. So we are looking at another day with temperatures between about 90 and 95, but the heat index value with that high humidity, the feels like temperature will be close to 100, if not 102 degrees. So hopefully you can find a spot to stay cool tomorrow. Now here's a look at our tally so far for the season. 23 days in the 90s, 7 of them in August. The record 39. 90-degree days. That was in 2020. We're going to tack on another one for tomorrow, but then the heat breaks a little bit, but it's going to take a little while before the humidity comes down. Not really till Friday and the weekend. Here are some of the high temperatures we had across the area today. They were certainly high, actually 93 in New Haven, 94 in Windsor Locks. The record was 98 degrees, so the record stands. 91 in Torrington, 92 in Salisbury, got up to 94 in Danbury, and stayed in the upper 80s from Groton to Norwich, just shy of that 90-degree mark there. We're in the 70s and 80s right now, but the dew points, that's really what's the issue. We've got them well into the 70s. At one point today, I saw a dew point in Berlin of 80 degrees. That is just oppressive and tropical, and we've got to deal with that for a couple more days before things start to improve. So we're well into that oppressive category. I think by Thursday, we'll drop a little bit to the muggy category. And then for Friday and the weekend, dew points in the 50s will feel pleasant and very refreshing. It'll be nice to get some drier, more comfortable air in here after this stretch that we've been in. All right, so early morning futurecast. Tomorrow's weather today, as we scroll on through here, you can see that tomorrow morning when you wake up, we'll have a mix of sunshine and clouds. It'll be hot and steamy to start out the day. And then as we head towards the afternoon, that's where we're going to start to see some isolated showers and thunderstorms as a front approaches, and some of these could be strong, even severe, with some gusty winds, small hail, and again, some heavy downpours. And they'll be around throughout the afternoon into the early evening before things start to taper off. So the severe threat is low. We're in the marginal category here, but it is there. So there may be 1 or 2 storms that develop that do turn severe, and we'll certainly keep you updated if any warnings are issued across the area. You can also download our weather app to make sure you have Pinpoint Doppler on there if you're out and about and you want to check the radar. It's a great tool. All right, so it's 81 degrees in downtown Hartford right now. I mean, that's pretty warm for this time of the night. 78 degrees in Waterbury, so the AC definitely needed tonight. Not a night to leave the windows open. You gotta save that for the end of the week. Lows will drop down into the 70s, and then for your highs tomorrow, we're looking at temperatures between about 90 and 95 degrees, hot and humid with afternoon storms. And again, some of those could be on the strong side. And notice that sunset 7:59 tomorrow. So tomorrow marks the first day that we start seeing the sun setting in the 7 o'clock hour. All right, Wednesday's a little unsettled, partly to mostly cloudy with the chance of a shower or thunderstorm. But right now it's looking like we may actually get some beneficial rain early Thursday. We'll keep you posted on that. Then Friday is dry, comfortable, cooler, low humidity, and that continues right through the weekend into Monday. Temperatures in the 80s, lower dew points means much more comfortable air, so something to look forward to.